Hello everybody, so welcome to Equations of a Straight Line Test 1. This is algebra. So let's show you how we work out these particular questions. Now what we need to do is we need to complete that table that we can actually see below using the formula in the question that has been provided for us. So this is the formula. So y equals 3x. Now 3x means 3 multiplied by x. So 3 multiplied by x, so I'm just going to put this in brackets, plus 2. So 3 multiplied by x plus 2. Now x variables are shown here. So these are x's. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. Let's start with this one first. Let's start with a positive number just to give you an idea of how this works. So let's do 3 multiplied by 2, so you just put the 2 in place of the x, and then you add 2. So 3 times 2 is 6, 6 add 2 is going to be 8. So we just stick the 8 here, and that will give us the y coordinates as we're going along. Let's do exactly the same thing with number 1. So again, 3 multiplied by 1 plus 2, so 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is going to be 5. Just going to stick 5 here. And again, the coordinate y, x1 gives us now 5. Let's do the others as we're going along, and let's fill these in. So you can start from the left if you want. You don't have to start on the right from like I'm doing. I'm just trying to show you how this is done in a more simpler way. So 3 multiplied by 0 plus 2. So 3 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. So let's just put that there. Let's try the next one. And remember, we're trying to fill in the coordinates x, a variable x here. So let's do the next one. So next one is 3 multiplied by minus 1 plus 2. Now 3 times minus 1 is going to be minus 3, then plus 2. So minus 3 plus 2, just count all the way up. So minus 2 minus 1. So I make it minus 1 here as the answer. So let's put down minus 1 there. And let's do the last one now. The last one shows us that it's minus 2 number. So 3 times minus 2 plus 2. So 3 times minus 2, 3 times 2 is 6, just stick a minus at the front. Plus 2 gives us minus 4. So let's stick in minus 4 here. Now, let's just go up here slightly and just check what our answers are going to be. Is it option A, option B, option C, or is it going to be option D? So from what I can see, it's going to be option D, which is minus 4, minus 1, 2, 5, and 8. That's going to be the correct answer. So that's how you actually work out the equation of a straight line. So what we do is, once we actually have the answers in this particular table here, okay, then we can plot the lines on a graph, and that's how we get a straight line. So these particular plots in these tables here will eventually give us a straight line on a graph, and that's why this topic is called equation of a straight line. So do your best with the rest of the questions, and we'll follow this up in our next lesson, whereby we'll be going through these questions one by one, and we'll show exactly what you need to do. Good luck. Thank you.